Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to upload a video in TikTok. This process is really simple and really easy. The first thing is open your TikTok application. Once it will be open, make sure you have signed in your account in TikTok because without signing in you cannot upload a video or a picture. Once you sign in your account, you will see few options on the bottom of your mobile screen, and from these options you have to tap on the option plus. If you want to record a video and want to upload, then swipe this line to the right side, and then now we are in the video recording section. But if you have a video in your mobile phone gallery and want to upload that on TikTok, then take a look on the right side of this capture button. You will see an icon upload. Tap on it. Then your mobile phone gallery will be open and you can choose your video. Just for showing you, I will choose this video. After choosing, tap on the option next, which is on the bottom right. If you want to use some template or effects, then use it by yourself, but for now I will not. So that's why I am tapping on the option next. And the last thing I have to do is tap on the option post, which is on the bottom right. Then the video will be posted on TikTok, and it was the way by which you can do it easily and quickly.